Construction pricing is going to be variable depending on the actual contract that you select. It may include sections that are divided by the phase of the construction project. So for example, you'll have the pre-construction phase, the during construction phase, and the post-construction phase. In the pre-construction phase, you may have items like your permitting costs, your architectural costs, your engineering costs. These are also referred to as soft costs because they're not directly involved in the construction project. You may also have your bank construction interest costs. These are all soft costs. The during construction project are going to include labor, it's going to include project management, it's going to include your project executive, it's going to include your mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. So this is going to be your HVAC, your plumber, and your electrician. And then you may have post-construction items, which is cleanup. Cleaning after a construction project is very important to make sure there's no nails, safety reviews, and your final inspections for certificates of occupancy if we're talking about new residential home constructions or even new buildings.